cook diced potatoes. We cook them until they're soft. Not so soft because they're still going to cook with the meat. And this was about 3 potatoes. With a little bit of garlic salt. We cover it. And I cooked the meat. I saved the broth for later for the meat. This is the meat. It was about maybe 3 pounds of roast. I already cooked it in the juice and the water. And we're just gonna shred it and then we'll add it to the potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit of flour. That makes like a little gravy into the meat. Okay, you cook the flour a little. You don't want it to taste like raw flour. So now I'm going to add the shredded meat. You don't need to shred it so finely because after you mix it, a lot of times it's gonna shred. I had roasted green chilies and I diced them. You can always use the canned chilies, but sometimes I roast mine when they're on sale. And these are kind of hot, so you want to make sure they're the right spiciness that you would like. Just cut. I think it's about 2 cups or 2.5 cups. And it's going to thicken out with the flour we put in. Okay, and then I have a special seasoning mix. I make it myself. It's paprika, oregano, and cumin. I mix it all and put it into this little jar. And then I added some garlic salt. I already added some before, so I'm just adding a little bit. And also, I add beef flavor, but I don't have beef flavor, so you can use chicken too. Just a little bit, probably like 1 teaspoon. Or maybe 2, depending how much more salt you need. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover it and let it sit for maybe like 5 minutes, and then I'll mix it again, and then I'll taste it for salt. Okay, I uncovered it and I'm mixing it and trying to break the pieces that are big. So I'm just gonna cover it again and let it cook more time, and I added a little bit of salt too because I think it needed a little bit more. So this is the end result. This is how it looks. Kind of chunky, but not so shredded. That's the way I like it. I mean, it's up to you. And then we make burritos with my homemade tortillas. If you want to watch my other video on how to make tortillas, you can watch it on my channel. Thank you for watching.